Hi all, my name is Shomaratra and welcome to the chart analysis video. Now, this is not a market analysis video. It's a video where we would be analyzing charts and we would be finding that whether we can make entries in this bearish market or not. This video would be very valuable to every beginner out there who is thinking to start making money from stock market and also start building their wealth. Okay, I want that, and it's a request from my end that watch this video up till end because there is a lot of valuable content that can change your mindset for stock market, that can change your mindset how to make your positions, that can change your mindset. What are the levels where you should work more on? Starting with that, the first stock that I have is Marico on 1 day time frame. Okay, now coming on 1 hour time frame, the things to learn is right here. You can see that market is creating swing highs and swing lows from right here from this area. Okay, market took a pause and after that it made a false breakout. It went high, made double top, again went below. So market is moving in this structure. Okay, now if you see right here, yeah, if you see right here, market made a swing low and market made a swing high, and this green candle is acting as a bullish candle as of now, which is making us understand that market ने थोड़ा pause लिया है and there are opportunities or there are probabilities that market would go here, make a double top pattern and would fall. And if it is happening, so there's an intraday opportunity. So intraday opportunity is from level 538.95 and अगर market यहाँ पे double top pattern बनाता है, you can go short and your first target would be up. You can take your targets according to Fibonacci pivots, okay, or you can take your targets up till here. Okay, and the levels are marking right here. Okay, now the other thing that can happen is market would come here, and if market is giving a breakdown from 526, there's another opportunity to go short. But if market is making a bullish engulfing candle, अब यहाँ पे मैंने bullish engulfing बोला, सिर्फ bullish candle नहीं बोला. The reason is because right here we can see this candle, it is a bullish engulfing, and if we have made our entry right here at 529.55, we have got a targets up till here. Okay, now एज आई सेड कि अगर मार्केट यहाँ से एक बुलिश एंगल्फिंग कैंडल बनाता है तो हमारा पहला टारगेट ये होगा, एंड अगर मार्केट इसको भी ब्रेकआउट देता है तो हमारा सेकंड टारगेट ये 547.10, and after that we can create more targets. So this would be a good swing entry with learning, appropriate learning. Coming on 1 day time frame, right here, why I just went here, because you can see that market is taking support from this level. मार्केट ने इस समय इतने जब कंसोलिडेशन दिया था इस लेवल में, मार्केट ने सपोर्ट लिया था. So this level is an important level where market can take support. Market took support from here on this candle and it went high. तो अगर हमारी एंट्री, अगर हम 1 hour टाइम फ्रेम पे एंट्री है बना लेते हैं 532 पे, तो हम we can take massive target out there. Okay, the second stock that I have for you is Asian Paints. So now Asian Paint is forming a head and shoulders pattern, and if they are experienced person in the who are watching this video, we know that head and shoulders pattern एक bearish pattern है जिसका neckline ये रहा 3052 पे. एंड इफ अगर ये ब्रेक करता है तो हमारे अगले लेवल्स जो नीचे मार्केट आएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू प्राइस एक्शन एनालिसिस इज 2962, आवर फर्स्ट टारगेट. बट इफ अगर हम हेड से काउंट करें कितना लेंथ है अप टिल नेक लाइन, इट्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली 256 पॉइंट्स. दैट मींस इफ अगर यहाँ से ये ब्रेक डाउन देता है तो मार्केट वुड कम समवेयर अराउंड हियर at this level, 256 points exactly right here. Market will be coming in this zone. Okay, so our second target will be 2796.15. But अगर मार्केट ऐसे एक बुलिश कैंडल बनाता है इसी एरिया से, तो our first target would be up till here. I'm marking on the chart. Whatever levels I'm marking, do pause the video and mark that level, because वो आपका टारगेट या तो वो लेवल टारगेट का हो गया या तो वो एंट्री लेवल होगा. ओके, सो नाउ दिस वाज अबाउट एशियन पेंट. सो टू समराइज, एशियन पेंट एक हेड एंड शोल्डर्स पैटर्न फॉर्म कर रहा है, और अगर ये इस लेवल से ब्रेक डाउन देता है तो वी कैन गो शॉर्ट. एंड अभी जैसे मार्केट का मोमेंटम है, मार्केट नीचे ही जा रहा है, तो दिस वुड गो फास्ट. तो वी नीड टू कैच दिस मोमेंटम, एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग, वी आर गेटिंग इन प्रॉफिट्स. एंड ऑल्सो आई होप अगर आपने वीडियो अभी तक देख रहे हो, दैट मीन्स यू आर लाइकिंग द कंटेंट. सो जस्ट गिव अ लाइक ऑन दिस video, because it would help the algorithm to get a boost on a video and we can reach to a massive audience, to a massive good looking audience like you. Now the third stock, that is MRF. Now अब मेरे को पता है कि whosoever would be watching this video, and they would say यार MRF तो बहुत महंगा है. Agree. But if you see the long term potential of MRF, it's a way better than any other stock. क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल सारी, हर व्हीकल में टायर्स की जरूरत तो पड़नी ही पड़नी है. तो MRF पहले ही जब मार्केट में एक अपना स्टैंड लेके खड़ा हुआ है, तो मार्केट इट वुड गिव अ मोर प्रॉफिट टू यू. एंड इफ मार्केट गिव्स अ ब्रेक डाउन फ्रॉम दिस लेवल दैट इज एट 72,900, yeah, market would fall more approximately up till here at this level, that is 60,144. Okay, and if market comes up till here and makes a green bullish candle, we would add some of MRF stock into our portfolio. Okay, now it might happen that market might makes a bullish candle right here at this zone, so our entry would be somewhere around here, and our first target would be 76,082. Okay, so I said that if market makes a green bullish candle right here, and if it is making a green bullish candle on 1 day time frame, you can go long, and your first target would be 76,082. Further, if it gives a breakout from this level, there are other targets that would be at 79,600. Yeah, there would be other targets at 79,600, and after that 82,994 would be good to target. Okay, so to summarize about MRF, if market gives a breakdown from this level, market would come here to take support at 68,000, approximately at 68,100. And if market makes a green bullish candle right here in this zone, you can add some stocks in MRF. Also, if market makes a green bullish candle right here at 74,000 year term value, at 74,500, you can add some stocks of MRF into your portfolio. And whenever we buy a expensive stock, there are chances that we get a profits very fast. अगर आप ये देखोगे एक ग्रीन बुलिश कैंडल, तो इसकी अब लेंथ मार्क करें अगर हम, देखो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6,500 पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, एंड ठीक है, जहाँ पे प्रॉफिट होता है वहां पे लॉस भी होता है, एग्री करते हैं. बट हम अगर एक MRF का लॉन्ग टर्म विजन भी देखें, तो वी कैन होल्ड दिस स्टॉक, एंड I would also try to buy this stock. The amount of fund I have, with that, I would go for this stock. So this was the end of the video, and I hope you like the content. You like the stocks that I have bought you here. I would appreciate that if you like the video, and also if you let me know in the comment that at what stock you are analyzing and where there was some sort of doubt कि आपको दिक्कत आएगी, तो you can DM me on Instagram also. Thank you and see you in next video.